Alright, here's a new set of instructions here. Let's see what we're to do here. Given 0.79 and m equal -6, write the equation of the line in standard form. So we're to write an equation and we're given certain information. So let's notice what we were given. This is a point and m is the slope. That should help us know what formula we need to look up. It's the point slope formula. So if you can look up the point slope formula by name, this is what it looks like. Y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1. And we go looking for values to fill in for y1, m, and x1. We leave this y and this x in the formula so it looks like a linear equation when we're finished. Okay, so our first substitution, y minus y1 would be the number 9. That's the y value. We only have 1 point. M is the value -6, parentheses x minus x1. There's only 1 point and the x value is 7. Alright, now we're going to work on this equation to clear the parentheses. Y minus 9 is equal to -6x plus 42. Alright, and remember that we want to work to the equation of the line in standard form. So we need to remember what standard form is. That's ax plus by is equal to c. So we want all the y's and x's on the left and all the constants on the right. So how about we leave this y here and we move this x to the other side. That would take adding 6x to both sides. So plus 6x. And then that would give us 6x plus y minus 9 is equal to 42. Now remember we want the constants over here, so let's add 9 to both sides. So that gives us 6x plus y is equal to 51, and we have written the equation of the line in standard form. Okay, job done. Alright, so let's use that same routine again with this given information, and then I'll show you a shortcut to this one, but let's pretend we don't know the shortcut and just use the routine that we just used. So we're given, again, this is a point and this is the slope, so we know we need the point slope formula to write the equation of the line. So y minus y1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x1, and we're going to go get the values for y1, m, and x1. Y minus 5 is equal to 2/3 times x minus 0. Alright, so let's distribute to remove the parentheses. Let's see, y minus 5, and this is 2/3 times x, 2/3 x. And what's 2/3 times 0? Well, it's just 0, so we don't have to write that. Now remember what form we want this equation in. We're asked to write it in standard form, so we're going to pay attention to that. Sometimes we're asked to write it in another form, or maybe we want y by itself, but we're asked here for standard form. Ax plus by is equal to c. So let's see, here's only a constant over here. Let's move it to the other side. That would take adding 5 to both sides. So that gives us y is equal to 2/3 x plus 5. Now remember that's a form of the equation we like sometimes, that slope-intercept form, but this one asks for a different form, so we need to move the x term to the other side with the y. So that would take subtracting 2/3 x from both sides, or adding a -2/3 x. Alright, so standard form says -2/3 x plus y is equal to 5.